Hi everyone, Ahmed here from System Hash and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about the Threads app by Instagram or the Facebook, which is the competitor of Twitter. It is basically a clone of Twitter with some other additional features which have been made accessible by Twitter after you have bought the subscription or you have the blue tick approved profile. So today I'm going to tell you how to make your profile public or private. So if you are if you want to when you sign up for Threads, you get the option to select whether you want your profile to be public or private. But if you want to change it anytime, you can do it easily. You just have to go to your profile and press the left globe icon on the top left side. And then you get the option private profile. If you enable that, it will ask you switch to private account. So any approved users and the people who you select or approve will be able to view your notifications and status, whereas your profile and the threads you post won't be public. So let's make it okay. Now you can see it is toggled on, and it means this profile is now private. If you want to make your profile public anytime, you just have to go to same settings and then select the private profile and turn it off. Now your profile is public. So how you can tell is that your profile is public or private. When you go to your profile, you should see the globe icon. If you see the globe icon, it means your profile is public, and anyone can who can search anyone can search your profile, or if someone has your link, they can view all your threads. But if you see the lock icon on the left top corner, that means your profile or the threads profile is private. So that's all for now. Keep visiting System Hash and techfront.com for more videos and amazing tips on the Threads app. Bye bye.